Welcome guys, today I am with the NUBIA Red Magic 7 and I'm going to show you a few camera tricks. So let's open this camera application, and at the first I'm going to show you how you can use this zoom feature. So as you can see, we can go for the ultrawide lens, normal, that's 2x zoom, 5x, and we can also zoom by clicking on already selected preset. When you make it, we will get another preset, that's 10x, and also this slider. As you can see, we can smoothly zoom in and zoom out with this feature. We can also still using this gesture to pinch screen. It's also working. And that was all about the zoom. When we click on the screen like that, we can adjust the brightness level by moving the sun icon. So you can decrease or increase the brightness level. You can make it very easy, as you can see. Another tip will be about this shutter. So when you click and hold it, you are going to take series of the photo. And as you can see, we can even go over the 100, so that's a lot actually. And it also works on the volume buttons that you can find right here. So when you click on volume up or volume down, you will take photo, but when you hold it, you will also take this series of the photo. Of course, all of these photos you can find in the gallery. And when you go right here, we can find different filters. As you can see, they change color, temperature, the brightness. So if you want to take photo with this one, for example, just select, click, and there it is. The photo was taken. To go for the original, just go for this first one at the least. Okay, so right now we can also click in this place to get camera timer. As you can see, we can select between 3, 5 or 10 seconds. And after this time, the photo will be taken. I think that right now we can simply move forward to the settings, where we can also find a few interesting options. Like for example, we can find the option called touch to take photo, and take a look. You can just click on the screen and the photo will be taken. I'm gonna turn off this camera timer. Let's go back for the settings. So when we are here, we are also able to remove this shutter sound. If you want to get rid of that, just click right here. And we can also remove the camera watermark. Okay, and next we can go for the camera family modes. As you can see, that's crazy amount of the additional options. So what we can find here, for example, the 3D. So we can turn the phone smoothly while shutting. I'm gonna make it right now. So we have to just move the phone around us and take a look how it works. So it's working even better than the panorama mode. You can go around 360 degrees. You can make it. Okay, I think that we can just go back. Oh, that's me. Never mind. Let's go back for other filters. As you can see, we can also find here this macro mode. So this mode allows us to, get very close shots. Oh, maybe it's not the best example. So let me just grab maybe this piece of the paper. That's the paper towel. And let's try to get some macro photos with this item. Okay, maybe like that. Okay, so that's the macro photo. Actually, it's not looking good. so we can skip this one. We can also clone people on the photos, so we can hold and keep the phone still, and then take the background picture. Take a look how it looks. Okay, there was no one on the photo, so maybe I can try to make it with my hand. Let's take a look how it looks. Okay, never mind. In the Xiaomi smartphone it works definitely better. So yeah, I think that's all for the smartphone. You can also find here a lot of other modes, you can try them, but all of these features that I show you are the most useful for me. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.